Hi guys, my name is Leo. I'm a developer here at Data Lead Africa, and today I'm going to teach you about recursion in Python. So what's recursion? To keep it simple, recursion is just functions that call themselves. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a simple for loop, and I'm going to show you the same for loop using recursive function calls. So let's begin. For I in range 10, print I. This is a very basic for loop. It will print from 0 to 9. I can show you that now. Python main.py 0 to 9. So what I'm going to do now is rewrite it using recursive function calls. I'm going to first define the function recurse that takes a parameter num of type int. Inside the function, if num equates to 10, then want to return. Else we're going to print the num and call recurse again with the value of num plus 1. And let's call the function recurse 0. Open my terminal, type python main.py. Syntax error, that's my fault. 0 to 9, very simple. So you may be wondering, why would we write all of this code when it's very easier to write a simple for loop? Now this is a very simple example, doesn't really explain much, so I'm going to show you a better example. And the example being, when you want to collect user inputs, but the user gives an invalid input of some sort, but you still want to get that user input to continue with the process, recursion is a very good fit for this, because you can simply just call the function again and get your input. So let's write that down. We're gonna have a function here, def get name, and this function is going to say name is equals to inputs. Please input your name. If name, for example, equates to, I don't know, James, then we want to print out that that's an invalid input. Else print welcome. But since it's an invalid input, we want to call name again and ask for it. So to do that, since we're reassigning name, we need to return name. So name has a value. So if you call that now, get name, and set the variable name is equal to get name, and I open my terminal, type python main.py. For example, type James, say invalid, and still ask us to input a name. And if we type something like John, you get welcome, and name is assigned to John. So that explains recursion in Python.